Welcome back. Today's session will be over 2-23, which is Snake Creeps Down. So in our last session, we finished up with 2-21, which was single whip facing the west wall, as we do in the form. So I'm going to show you what Snake Creeps Down looks like without any pauses or stops, just so you can see how it flows. Pay attention to where my feet are pointed. And here we go. All right, so that's Snake Creeps Down. There's a lot of things going on here. Let's start here from single whip. You'll notice my right foot is at a 45. To begin Snake Creeps Down out of single whip, you're going to turn that right toe back towards the front. So now I have my right heel at the intersection of these two yellow lines. My heel is right there. My left heel is on the intersection of these two green lines, just like that. So I was here, now pointed out here. From single whip, my hands open up. From here, my hands open up right as my right foot turns towards the front. And again, I'm going to turn my shoulders and bring my hands together. You'll see this better from a different angle, but my hands are currently in the center line of my body. So they were out here, brought them to the center line of my body. They're going to stay in the center line of my body. As I shift weight into the right leg, bring my left foot in, the crook, just like we're about to start single whip, but this time the hands tilt up. Left palm points up. The back of my left hand is going to brush the inside of my left thigh. As I pull my hands apart, this comes on the left side of my thigh. And I'm going to put my left heel in line with my right heel. Notice my right toe is staying straight ahead. Don't let it drift or turn over here. My right foot is facing the north part of the form. My left foot is facing the west of the form. However, here's what I want you to pay attention to. My weight is not forward. My weight, if you can see this Japanese writing right here behind me, that's it right there. My weight's in the left leg, but your weight's supposed to be in the right leg. As I pull in, my weight's still in this right leg. You still can't see that sign behind me because my weight's still in the right leg. The next step, then you'll shift. Now you can see the writing back here. So there's a lot going on. Many students will shift forward to get to Snake Creeps Down. But the snake creeps down. He doesn't creep left or to the west. He creeps down. So you're going down. And you're going to look over your left shoulder. Your palm, your left palm, is facing forward. You've got the crook, the snake's head. This is the snake's tail. This is the snake's head behind you. So now we're going to do it towards the north part of the form, going this direction. Notice my 45. My right foot is at a 45 degree. And turn out. Both my palms have now opened up. They're going to come together in the center line of my body. Right hand is high, left hand is low. And we're rotating. again, the hands aren't moving, the body is rotating. We come together, form the crook, just like we were about to start single whip, but this time we're going to go into snake creeps down. Left hand comes up, I'm looking at my palm. It comes back down, the snake's teeth turn up. The left palm is now facing forward because the back of my left hand is going to brush the inside of my left thigh. And there are my heels again. Heels are in alignment. This is off my shoulder. Right hand is back over my, this yellow line back here, just like we do in single whip, except now we're in snake creeps down. Right? Just like that. Now let's do it to the back. All right, we just finished our single whip. Left foot pointed towards the east wall over here. Right foot is at a 45. Gonna turn that right foot towards the back of the room. Good. And my left hand and my right hand are going to come together in the center line of my body with my right hand up high and my left hand down low. And it's my chest that's going to turn. My right hand and left hand are still in the center line of my body. So I bring that left foot in, forming the crook with the left hand. Forming the crook with the right hand as the left hand comes up, goes back down. Back of the left hand touches the inside of the left thigh. Notice notice where my head is. When my left foot came out, I didn't shift where you can see this part of the tapestry. I'm staying right here. And I sink down. Just like that. It's off my shoulder. Chest is facing the tapestry here. Heels are in alignment. Nice. We have one more angle. Do this over here. This time we're going to focus on the breath. So we just finished the exhale with our single whip. Breath out. Right foot turns. Right there. Both palms open. Coming toward the center line of my body. That's your breath in. Like you're almost beginning your single whip and pulling the energy in. That's your breath in. And as you come down and start to expand into snake creeps down, that's your breath out. And you're going to turn and look over your left shoulder. The heel should be in alignment. And that is 2-22, Snake Creeps Down. Until next session, have a wonderfully Zen day.